Good morning, students. So today we're going to discuss about elements in detail. An element cannot be broken into simple substance by any physical or chemical process. It means by any chemical or physical process you can't break an element into simple substance. Elements have their own fixed physical and chemical property. Each element are having different physical and chemical property. For example, hydrogen, it is a combustible gas. It burns with a pop sound. So it is a specific property of hydrogen. Oxygen, we all know that it is a supporter of combustion. Elements consist of single type of atoms only. It means if you have a block of sodium, it will have only sodium atoms. In total, we have 118 elements so far identified, out of which 94 elements are naturally occurring and 24 elements are synthetic. They are made by nuclear reaction. And elements are like hydrogen is an element, oxygen is an element, sodium is an element, iron, copper, carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. And during a reaction, when element react, actually the atom which take part in the chemical reaction. So we can say an atom is the smallest particle of an element taking part in a chemical reaction. And so students, we know that elements are made up of atoms, but they are of single type only. It means sodium element is having only sodium atoms and oxygen molecule is having only oxygen atoms, etc. Now let us understand about the similarity and difference between elements and molecule. Elements, we know that they are made up of atoms. Even molecules are made up of atoms. We can define molecule as when two or more atoms bound together, they form molecule. So molecules are also made up of atoms, elements are also made up of atoms. But what is the difference between them? Difference between them is elements are made up of single type of atoms only. Like hydrogen elemental form of hydrogen is H2. Elemental form of sodium is Na. Elemental form of oxygen is O2. So they are made up of their own atoms. Hydrogen molecule is made of hydrogen, sodium molecule is made of sodium, oxygen molecule is made of oxygen atoms, and etc. In case of molecules, they can be made of single type or they can be made of different type. H2 molecule is made of H atoms, HCl molecule is made of hydrogen and chlorine atom. Water molecule is made up of hydrogen atom, two hydrogen atom and one single oxygen atom. So we can say that the difference is molecule can be made of same type of atom or can be different. But elements are made up of single types of atoms only. We also learned so far that pure substance are either can be compound or elements, but they should be pure substance. It means only single entity. For example, water molecule is a compound. So water is a compound. When we say pure water, it means only H2O molecules, nothing else. Like it should not contain any ions, chloride ion, sodium ion, any mineral. All minerals are absent. Only H2O is said to as a pure water. Element, like for example iron block, we can only say that iron block is pure if it only contains Fe atoms, that is iron atoms. Then we can say it is a pure iron. But in our day-to-day life, we say pure air, pure milk. Actually, they are in terms of that they don't contain any adulteration. It means nothing other thing is present in that milk. But according to scientific point of view, we can say they are impure because milk also contains some water, fats, protein. So in scientific perspective, they are impure. Air is also impure because it is a mixture of gases. So by scientific perspective, we can say pure substance are only that substance which have only single entity or single type of particles, whether they can be compound or they can be element, but only single type. For example, pure hydrogen gas, so only hydrogen molecule. If we want to differentiate pure substance and mixture, let's see. Pure substance consists of single type of substance or particle, whereas mixtures consist of two or more pure substance. For example, if you take iron fillings and copper fillings and mix it, so it will become a mixture. Only iron fillings will be called as a pure substance. Second point, pure substance cannot be prepared into constituent element by physical method. It means what? If a sodium or sodium chloride, that is common salt is NaCl, so you can't break it down into sodium and chlorine atom by any physical method, that is filtration, decantation. So you can't separate a compound into simple element by any physical method, whereas mixture can be separated into components by physical method. Third point, pure substance has its own definite property which differ from constituent particles. It means like water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. So water molecule is a compound, or we can say it is a molecule. So H2O molecule is a pure substance and its components are hydrogen and oxygen. But there is a difference in the property of a pure substance, that is water molecules is having different property than those of its constituent. Hydrogen gas is combustible gas, oxygen gas support combustion, but water molecules which is made up of hydrogen and oxygen is neither combustible nor support combustion. Mixture on other hand shows property of its component. For example, if we have a sulfur and iron fillings, it will show the property of both. For example, air can show the property of all the mixtures of different gases. Like air also support combustion because it has oxygen.